Hey developers, welcome to my channel. Today I have something exciting to share with you. The ChatGPT extension for VS Code. This extension is truly insane and will take your coding experience to the next level. With this extension, you will have access to powerful AI-powered code prompts right inside your code editor. Whether you are stuck on a tricky problem or just need inspiration for your next project, the ChatGPT extension has got you covered. Simply start typing and the extension will provide you with suggestions and code snippets to help you get the job done. And the best part is, the ChatGPT extension is incredibly easy to use. All you need to do is to install it from VS Code Marketplace and you are ready to go. There is no need to navigate away from your editor or switch to a different application. Now, let's just get started. Now come to your extensions section and write ChatGPT. There is the first extension, just install it and read all your documentation. Okay, there is an important part, OpenAPI key. So first you go to this link and generate your API key. Make sure you log in with your Gmail. Okay. If ChatGPT asks you for API key, just paste it. Okay. Click on it or there's a login button. You can log in with your Gmail account. Okay. After logging it, select your code part and just right click on it. There are some ChatGPT prompts appearing. You can see add test, find bugs, explain, optimize, add comments. Like first we click on explain. Now it's explaining my selected code icon button and also I'm checking it if there is error or not. Okay. If you are wondering from where all these prompts are coming, you can go to your settings, write ChatGPT. So and scroll down. There are some prompts right here. You can add your custom prompts as well or edit them. If you get any error related to ChatGPT model, make sure you select that Open API key test driven 003. Okay. Or if you are confused on it, just click on this little setting button and reset all the settings. And I hope your errors will vanish. Let's add some test on my icon button. Wow, it's truly insane. I'm loving this ChatGPT extension. how easily it added my test. Okay, I found something. I found the shortcut. You can click on three dots and there is update settings. You can go from there. And there is another export to markdown. If you select some code and click on export to markdown, you can see it added all your code or all your explanation into your markdown, and you can preview it here. Now it's truly insane, right? So if you are looking for a way to streamline your coding workflow and get more done in less time, be sure to check out the ChatGPT extension for VS Code and you won't be disappointed. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching.